Need quick tips and tricks about making money online? They're here. Have you found yourself struggling in the current economy? Perhaps you have been trying to figure out how you can start earning more money and having some say so about how you go about it. You can do both of those things with the help of making money online. Watch this video, learn how to get started. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money, as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Organize your days to include specific work hours. Online income is definitely tied to your ability to keep at it on a continuous basis. This isn't the quick way to making loads of money. Hard work each day is required. Try to work at the same time every day. It's also good to put in overtime as needed to make extra money, too. Research what others are doing online to make money. There are so many ways to earn an online income these days. Take some time to see how the most successful people are doing it. You may discover ways of generating an income that you never thought of before. Keep a journal so that you remember them all as you move along. You may need to identify yourself before you can work online. Most companies want you to show proof of who you are, just as you would at a physical place of employment. You can either scan your ID in yourself or have your ID scanned at a local Kinko store for this purpose. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and PaperPost. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. You can make money through tutoring. Therefore, if you want to be able to work online from home, then consider e-teaching as a viable option. Both Tutor Vista and Smart Thinking offer opportunities for people who have a lot of knowledge in certain core areas. If you are good at what you do, you may find that other opportunities present themselves. Design unique logos for some of the new startup sites on the web. This is a great way for you to show the talent that you have and also help someone out who is not artistically skilled. Negotiate the price with your client in advance before you provide your service. As you can see from the information shared here, it really is possible to earn an income online in today's times. There are so many options available. You may even find that you come up with your own unique ideas for making money online. Thousands of other people are doing exactly that. Student loan.